Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial. If the keyboard typing sound on your iPhone bothers you or you simply want to type more quietly, there is an easy way to turn it off. Whether you want more privacy or just don't need the sound, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable it quickly and easily in just a few steps. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Now, let's see how to turn off the keyboard typing sound on an iPhone. So, when you are on your home screen, find Settings and open it. Once you're on the Settings page, the next step is to scroll down and look for the option called Sounds and Haptics. When you find it, tap on it to open it. After that, on this page, you will see different settings options. Now, scroll down, find the option Keyboard Feedback, and tap on it to open it. Finally, you will see two options, Sound and Haptics. Tap the switch next to Sound to turn it off. Once you've turned it off, let's test how it works. Open any typing app, such as Messages or Notes, and type a few words. If you disabled the option correctly, you'll notice that the keyboard no longer makes a sound when typing. If at any point you want to bring back the typing sound, simply repeat the same steps and turn the sound option back on. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. See you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.